Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and most beautiful ideas of plug made things, like as a toy for our children or any artificial things. Dear audience, in original a plug, an insertive closer or stopper. First of all, core plug used to fill the casting holes on engines, so as butt plug, a sexual toy that is inserted into the rectum, so as ear plug for ear protections, as a plug sanitation, a stopper for a drainage outlet, so as plug accounting, an unspotted adjustment to an accounting record, so plug fishing, a family of fishing lures, so as plug horticulture, a planting technique, so as plug jewelry, a type of jewelry worn in stretched piercing, so as fusible plug or safety device in steam boiler. That's all, dear audience, in use of plug. So as hair plug, hairs that has undergone hairs transplantation, says matting plug, sacration used in the matting of some animal species, says plug, a step in the manufacturing process for parts made of carbon fiber, reinforcement polymer, says plug, a type of chewing tobacco made by pressing tobacco with syrup, says plug, the central element of a plug and feature a tool for splitting stone. So many use of plug, which is an artificial manner we can make goods or many things which are playing or any for learning process of our students, of our children. And so as plug in computer or type a small form factor computer, Portland Linux and Unix group means plug, a group of Linux enthusiasts in Portland and origin, says product plug or product placement in, we can use it in a marketing process. So a volcanic plug, a geological landform, and a wall plug which is made of fastener and that allows screws to be fitted into drywall or masonry and masonry walls, as plug plumbing and electrical when we use it in different manner. So electrical connectors in which we can use plug for AC power plugs and sockets for alternating current, so means electricity. So as when we talk about direct current or DC, current connector for direct current or small equipment, and a semiconductor plug which cannot move the electricity in a wires or in any one point to other point. So a semiconductor will foolproof, we can use it. And typically tungsten is used to fill a via and connect different wiring levels on wafers. So as a plug fuse is used in the United States until 1916 plug fuses which can be used. So as a media and entertainment, when we use a plug in entertainment manner, then the plug, the Backstreet Kids, we can use it, or the a character from the Backstreet Kids comic strip, the Bano, and the plugs comics, a British comic that featured plug from the Backstreet Kids, says plug, uh, a Peruvian post hardcore bands and plugged a 1995 album by Vin Gorbett. Many media and entertainment used a plug can be used at 1995 album by the Bobs. So plug of films, centralizing advertising directed by Tim Russ. So plug novel, a 2011 novel by the Ian Coffer, and plugged Satterfire 59 album, a 1996 album by Satterfire 59. So Some person the plug can be used as a song plugging. The promption of the song to induce for selling purpose, and the plug can use as a music or made things like as a aeroplane, or we can aeroplane fans making and interjoining the fans of a metal project and metals. So, when we talk about the plug as a street, the Percival Proud, Proudfoot plug, Plugsley, first appeared in issue 606. He is a lanky, ganging, and character with a large overbite, so protruding ears, two buck teeth, and a wide nose. On the cover of Plug, his name is given as a Percival Proudfoot. So Plugsy, although in some earlier script he is named Claude. So Plug's real name is only occasionally used in the Bano, such as singled out when teacher addressed him by his full name. He is originally known as Pug. According to the Bano, the I was added when Smelfy had one to spare after misspelling silly. So despite or perhaps because of his appearance, Plug is one of the more sympathetic backstreet kids, so often ready to defend those he feels have been unjustly treated. He once calmed Danny down after he lost his patience with Smify stupidity. He has on one occasion fainted from seeing his own reflection. So, my dear audience, my beautiful audience, and we can say that and consider himself the most handsome boy in Benton. Plug had his own comic from 1977 to 1979 featuring him and his two pets, and was the first Biano character with a spin-off. Plug was later incorporated into the Brazier. He has two sisters, Plugella and Pluginia, who closely resemble him. However, in earlier stripe, his father was shown to be quite handsome, and Plug is described as taking after his mother in appearance. It is a historical background of a Plug. In the September 2014 issue of the Biana, he is described as John's nephew, implying that he is a son of John's sister Genix. With Kiefer Sutherland, Plug had a more dominant role and was frequently a story main character in one of his girlfriend, making him the first Biano character to do so. That is a story of our background of a Plug. Although Plug receives plastic surgery for the Best Street Academy makeover, he soon returned, and so as it can be received. Although Plug received plastic surgery for the Best Street Academy makeover, he soon returned to his familiar appearance. When he sees his friends brainwashed into behaving, he saves them by installing a virus on the robot teacher disk drive. So, my dear audience, there are many functions and many historical background of plug. But in that video, I also describe you. It can be a different point of view by playing games or by artificial learning method. So, my dear audience, if my video and my ideas inspired you much, then subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much. Again, thank you very much.